I'ma just sip my coffee. The anger feels like when your game freezes while it's saving, losing your data soon as you made it. I'm viewing the pages you deliberately skipped. Proof that 60% of the humans mentally chipped. It all boils down to who is physically fit. Yo, it's totally mind-boggling. Translating poetry, I'm positive they out to castrate the moment we try stopping them. Locking our pockets in a cripple across face, ripping us off slave propositions to starve brains for weapons of mass distraction. They target the leader, selecting the baddest assassin. Guess it just happens at random, checking the stats, mechanical specimens crafted by phantoms. The wealthiest people are never on your TV screens. The beef we see projected for the PG fiends. Years of bottled hatred and altered perceptions that change the strongest to yes men. You disappoint me. I'm convinced I was made to spot the snakes. I tend to throw hand gestures like a game of rock, paper, scissors. I spin the planet on my lanky middle finger like a globetrotter. Tone gotta make the microphone hotter. You rather choose the easy way than write your own saga. You choreographing a formula that complements these inglorious bastards. I'm warning you to walk from this. The world is poisoned according to its non-religious martyrs. Written the planet of sorcerers in charge, predicting clear skies for the next 72 hours. Here I'm looking wet, fresh from a few showers. I need a haircut, my best bet is some new powers to disappear to reappear like instant transmission. But this is mad different. I wish the fans listen to the influential words of wisdom, spitting rap scriptures. On social media, you going tit for tat bitching with John Doe. Wasting time that's not even guaranteed. Verbally getting slayed by the sloppiest parakeets. I'ma just sip my coffee.
You disappoint me.
I'ma just sip my coffee.
You disappoint me.
I'ma just sip my coffee.